So I've been wandering around with the design for the kitchen, the countertop and so on, so I had a simpler idea of a much simpler kitchen than it is here in these drawings, but I wanted to make something more unique, contemporary, but with a Mediterranean feel at the same time. And yeah, I was trying to make it more unique for this space, not a conventional kitchen that you would see. So yeah, started with the idea to make a hole here in the countertop. This is the countertop sink stove. To make a hole here where you could put some vase with flowers, and instead of putting this wall that was here in the beginning, I could move it and this would be overhanging, which would look this more contemporary, something like this. But then I was wandering around and trying different forms, and the one that I like the most is this one, which is this. Like, this is the wall where the stove will be here, and then yeah, the rest. This is the sink, and this where the machines will be. So yeah, this was the chose drawing. It will have this intricate plan system, something like this, where you will have the gas bottle hidden away. This is like a plan of that. This is the stove, this is the new wall that I'm going to do, and here. And gas bottle will be hidden away here. And this is the stove place, here, in this place. So yeah, I'm afraid that it will look a bit over designed, but yeah, I wanna try it out. If it looks bad, well, my bad then. here, and then here will be complainer here, and this will be the gap for the flowers, and here the gas bottle will be here under it. Then I will put the hole for the stove that will be here. Then simple as it was, the sink, sorry. Here dishwasher and the heater for the water. So yeah, now I have to render it. So yeah, next week I'll do that, because this week I'm going to do the ceiling here. Not me, I hired someone to do that, because it's really hard, and wasn't that happy with the ceiling in the bathroom, so I decided I should just hire someone to do it. And yeah, it will be way faster than I would do it, and I hope the result will be as I'm thinking that it will be. So yeah, next week I will finish the countertop, or I mean I will render these walls, and then the countertop maybe will be the other. And I'm thinking about doing this on OSB, like a thin layer, I mean 1 centimeter, 1.5, and then to put the concrete on top and leave the OSB here, like the framework, that you leave it behind, because it's easier like this. In order for me to go around with the framework here would be like super complicated, so I think no, I will just do it like this. And then I will put a corner profile, like a steel profile, to hold the render on the corners where the OSB will be. So yeah, then I'll put concrete on top and render everything, because I wanted to have this look all the way along, even on the top. Then I will put some sealant or epoxy. So yeah.
Que horas são?
Isto também não?
Os pequenininhos, sim.